Encourage you, and just know the power that you hold inside of yourself, because we all hold this tremendous power that we don't know until we let it out. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh, everything's going the way I wanted it to, once you start believing that it is. So it's an exciting thing to be here tonight for me, because this is a dream for me. This is my dream.
Oh my God, and you're living the dream. Do you ever get used to this, to people really?
No, I don't.
No, oh my.
Always like the first time.
Yeah, I can only.
Exciting.
Yeah, I can only imagine. And I also have to ask you, how did you build the courage to actually just step up and be who you are? Because I love that about you, how authentic you are.
You know, over time. I think when I was young, I had a lot of ideas, and I was like, okay, I'm going to go for it. I'm going to do all these things. And then little by little, you get a lot of no's along the way. And you have to have a tough skin. You have to go, okay, you said no, and you said no, and you said no, and you said no, but you said yes. And then you kind of keep going. And you have to, again, that's where the belief in yourself is really, really important.